Yeah, it's in the box. DRAM issue. The DRAM, or RAM LED was lit up on the motherboard, and I tried every fucking thing to get it working. Well, now I gotta bring it back to the shop in this box. Wasn't expecting to have to do that, so yeah. I was hoping to get this ready, and I should have tested it long before I got this transferred over, but I didn't, and I only found out when I powered it on. I exhausted all routes. Still, DRAM LED is lit upon power on immediately, even without RAM in it, even with just one stick in it. So there's definitely a problem with this thing. I suspect faulty motherboard. What else can you do? Off to the shop.